Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJ the Investor. This is yours truly, KJ. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the portfolio. Right now, we're sitting at a total of 105, 263, and 28 cents, as you can see. Now, heading over into the investing account, guys, we're sitting at $62,215.68. As a close of business on Friday, we were up almost $80, 0.12%. The buying power is at 18.28. We got some money sitting into the buying power. I'm finna add some more in there this week. Just getting ready for Monday, man. Let's just get ready for the market to get ready to open up and have a fresh week in the market. Before we do, I want to take a look at the 3-month differential. So for the last 3 months, we've been down about 42.50 in the account, almost 3.5%, 6.5%. I'm sorry, but in this last month, guys, look at there, we're up in 1 month over $4,800. That's like that's almost 8.5% increase just in 1 month. So the money that we lost in 3 months, we made it back almost in 1 month. So that's good. That's good news. But to get back to all-time highs, how we were, we still need to recoup those other $4,200 right there. We still need to recoup that, and I believe we will. The market is making tremendous triumph comebacks and returns. So I think we're going to continue to climb as Monday comes rolling in the market. I still got my crypto holdings, Doge, Ethereum, Avalanche. Now for the bread and butter, we got the stocks and the ETFs. You guys already know how I feel about these. Walmart, one of my staple companies that's going to help us achieve financial freedom, sitting at $96.66. Oh, wow, look at there. Walmart's getting ready to pay a dividend May 27th. Mine's going to be $26.64. I got 113.35 shares of Walmart. Market value is over $10,000, almost $11,000. Average cost was $58.71. And the total return, I'm up $43.02.09. That is a 64.65% return on investment. With the dividend coming in, that's probably about another 10% on this position coming in. So 10% increase basically coming in on this position. So I mean, Walmart, man, what's not to like? It's a great value company. It's also showing a tremendous growth. You see the total return right there, over $4,300. I'm going to continue to just buy and hold Walmart long term. And I might even consider selling cover calls or selling put options on this particular position. Oh, yeah. So, guys, that's something else I need to talk to you guys about. I know you haven't seen me on YouTube in a minute. Well, probably this whole week. And the reason is, don't think KJ the Investor fell off. I haven't fell off. I'm still investing. I'm still buying and holding long-term, guy. But you guys, I've been, like I said, you seen me I did a cover call with the Nvidia stock. And you saw I won that trade in my first options trade, but I've been getting into options trading a lot more. I've been doing a lot of studying, a lot of research. I've been learning a lot. And so I can come back to my platform, back to my channel and teach you guys and show you guys, because we always said that financial freedom, early retirement, things like that is the goal for this channel. And you guys get the chance to actually walk with me as I evolve and learn and maneuver myself into those positions. You guys will be able to continue to rock with me and see the movement and the progressions of my learning style and strategy. So I've been reaching out and contacting people that I feel like was higher than me on a level, a financial level higher than me, and where I desire to go. These are the places and the levels I see myself going. So I decided to do like any other smart person would do and surround themselves with mentors and find out, information that I wouldn't otherwise knew on my own. I decided to cut down on the years of studying and training and ups and downs and trying and not making it and not being successful, I decided to trade all that in and just get a mentor, somebody who can fast track my learning speed, somebody who can help get me up to date, up to speed with these option trading. And I'm talking not just doing one, because I know how to sell options and be successful, but I'm talking about on a level where we see growth like this on a monthly basis. I'm talking about bringing in $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $10,000 a month in the portfolio. That's what I'm talking about. And you can do that, guys, by selling options. If you know me, you know you've been rocking with me. You know that I'm a buy and hold type of guy. Well, the thing about it is now I've discovered so many different strategies as far as the wheel strategy, selling puts, selling calls, buying puts, buying calls, these different things that I've tapped into over time. And I'm trying to get to where we can make passive weekly income, passive monthly income to subsidize our income from jobs and things like that. So now I'll have back more time, freedom, and things like that. So you guys just kind of bear with me. I'll be bringing more updates like that to you guys on the channel, and I'll be getting trained on that. As you should know, I be diving into more mentorship type training, and I'm learning, guys, just like you all are learning from me. I'm also learning from others. Like, it ain't that I had to go get somebody else to show me different stuff, but I wanted to learn more. I wanted to dive deeper. I connected with someone who actually has a finance degree. He actually worked on Wall Street. He's worked with big banks. He knows what he's doing. So that's why I've connected, guys, with other people, other like-minded individuals with even on a bigger scale than what I have. And they are helping me to pull myself up to their level. So that's why it's so important to surround yourself with the right flow of people, so you can see your gains, and you can see your skills actually being sharpened and honed in and talented and harvested. So yeah, guys, that's what I've been doing. Just to give you guys kind of like a little update of what's been going on. But that's what's been going on. Next, I want to talk about the iBit. That's my iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF. You guys think some of y'all think that I got out of Bitcoin altogether, and there's supposed to be like this massive cryptocurrency uprising here in the next couple of near future. Well, I haven't. I still got 64.44 shares of iBit, which is my Bitcoin ETF. Market value $3,786.38. Average cost $54.31. And right now, on a total return, I'm up $286.38, or 8.18% return. So, guys, that's still a massive return. 8.18%. Anything over 8%, guys, we're getting rich. So I'm still investing in Bitcoin. I still have my shares of the iBit, the ETF. I just don't invest in Bitcoin directly anymore like I did before, because it was so dang expensive. But it's cool. We'll make it do what it do. Meta sitting at $591. Nvidia's at $116.39. Starbucks just had a crazy earnings report. As you see, Starbucks is down in the dumps. If you like a good buy and hold type of company that's going to pay good dividends, Starbucks is on sale right now. It's not the best company, but you can sell puts on this company. Then if you get assigned, you can then start selling cover calls on this company. So performing the wheel strategy with Starbucks probably is really going to help us get to our pot of gold and the end of the rainbow just a little bit faster. In the traditional IRA, we're looking at $43,047.96. Where as a close of business on Friday, it was down just a little bit. But when we go and look at the 3-month chart, we're down $731. The 1 month, boom, that's what I want to show you. In 1 month, guys, you saw what we were down in the 3 month, over $700. But in the 1 month, guys, we've made back over 12%, 12.21% to be exact. $4,684.79 in the 1 month. You just seen this in the investing account. Now it's in the traditional IRA account. Buying power, $19.95.39. you guys, I got options going right here. Um, the options choice right there. Now, anyway, I had Nvidia still 150 shares right here. We're up in the position over $961, 150 shares, market value $17,460.15. Average cost of $109.98. And then you guys know I have another 55 shares of Nvidia in the investing account. So we got over 205 shares of Nvidia. Palantir, that's the darling of Wall Street. Palantir Technologies is currently at 116.72 is what it closed the business on Friday. I got 26.79 shares of Palantir. Market value is 3128 and 5 cents. My average cost was $75.94, which is a great average cost. And then my total return is up $1,092.76, or a 53.69% return. You guys, this is a huge return, and I probably need to take profits at this point. There's over a 50% return. Normally, anything between 20 and 30%, especially trading options, you want to go ahead and grab the returns off of that. But I think Palantir continues to soar. I think Palantir continues to rise up. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into this position. I'm thinking about selling puts on this cash secured puts on this position, to be honest. Thinking about depositing a good chunk of money into this account and help myself out by purchasing, hopefully, getting assigned. Because I'm gonna tell you guys, the thing about these options that I'm learning so much about, and things that are gonna help really skyrocket my portfolio, is you collect these premiums, whether you're selling puts or whether you're selling calls. You're collecting that premium at the beginning, so that automatically lowers your cost basis, your average cost. That automatically lowers it from whatever the price is minus that premium that you collect. It automatically puts you into a discount. So, I mean, it's really a no-lose strategy, because even if the price drops below your put strike price, you get assigned 100 shares of this company. Well, bravo. That's kind of what I want to do anyway. I want to get assigned this stock because I believe in this company anyway. So I want this stock anyway. But instead of just buying it flat out, straight out, I could acquire them through 100 shares through selling the put contract and get paid a premium for doing it. So, y'all, I'm thinking about this finance things a lot different. Like I said, it's because I've been researching, connecting with the right people, learning some new stuff, doing all these things, man. So you guys just continue to root for me, continue to rock with me. We're gonna eventually get there. I got some big news coming for you guys next week as we gear up for the new week opening up on Monday. I got more calls and meetings I got to do concerning this options trading life. And guys, I'm hoping to get to the point where my option trading will subsidize or take place of my regular income. And once it does exceed that, and it does it for a while, and I continue to build my portfolio up to a level where I really, really want it to be, guys, I'm thinking about this is really going to help me get to the point where we can retire early and get to the point where I can do trading full time. And then you guys already know the profits that I make from trading, which is kind of like a side hustle right now, because you guys already know in this economy, a regular 9-to-5 is not going to get it. You need a job, and you also need a side hustle in order to make ends meet these days. And that's what you got to realize. That's what I've been realizing and come to the realization of. And so I use my portfolio, I use my money as a leverage to put it to work in order to work for me and to make more income for me. So the options trading is my side hustle. You guys know I do YouTube. You guys know I'm monetized through Facebook and Instagram. Excuse me, Facebook and Instagram. But these stocks are what really helps me, on the side, part-time type thing. And I'm trying to make this and move this into the full-time thing. So with the options trading, hopefully it helps take that to the next level and help me become where I can bring in 10,000 a month. And once that happens, I no longer have to work a 9-to-5 job. So we're going to scale these portfolio from 6 figures to over 7 figures. And you guys already know that's the goal for me. If you're rocking with KJ the Investor, you know that's what we've always been talking about: financial freedom. Get into our wealthy place. Get into the place where we can do what we want to do when we want to do it, buying back our time, and living a lifestyle where we're not worrying about how we're going to have to pay for this or pay for that, but we can just do it because we have the abundance and the ability to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, this video. If you got any kind of questions, comments, concerns, drop it down in the comment box below. Like always, I really enjoy you guys' comments. I enjoy what you guys have to say. If you think me option trading is a pretty good idea, you guys let me know how you feel about that down below. If you have options, if you're selling some puts or calls, anything like that, let me know in the comments, man. Tell me how you feel about option trading. Tell me, do you think it's a great passive idea for like passive income, weekly income, monthly income? So you guys let me know. And until the next time, this is KJ the Investor, looking for the best in everyone and everything. Over and out. Peace.